Hey guys, so today we're gonna do another algorithm, and I'm on my Mac today because we're gonna do some Swiss programming. So the last video I made was the Fibonacci sequence, which is, well, it's a Fibonacci sequence. So today we're gonna do the factorial number, and it's a lot like the Fibonacci sequence in that it's a recursive function, except the difference is that this one supplies or it returns or it returns a number where the supplied number is multiplied by the decrement of the next one until it hits zero. So very similar. And we're just gonna do some Swift programming because, well, I have a Mac, so why not? So let's first make a function, and of course it's gonna be called factorial. And let's see, the number is gonna be type int, and whoops, and we're gonna return an int. So the first thing is our base case, which is just checking if the number is equal to 0, and if it is, we'll return 1. Otherwise, we'll call factorial again, and oops, not that. Return the number multiplied by factorial, which we're calling again, and we're going to supply the next number in it. And in Swift, you have to do it like this, and where the second part is, this is the number that's in scope, and this is the named variable or the named argument. And let's call it. I'm gonna just do a print here. Factorial of, let's go with 5 first. And let's see, what was the command? I believe it's Swift, and I'm in the correct directory, so it's just solution.swift. Factorial 5. Oh, right. Yep. Have to name the arguments. There we go. So we get 120, which is correct. So let's throw in a different one. So if we go to 7, we should get 5040. So let's do that. And there you go. So this is basically more recursion, and this time in the Swift language. And yeah, it's a pretty simple algorithm. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys next time.